2010 is going to be a year of change for the stock market and for the economy. We're going to look at an improving economy in 2010. But is it sustainable? That's really the question. Is it sustainable? If it is sustainable, the stock market will continue to rally. If it appears that it's not, the stock market will falter. So, what do we look at? Key things we want to watch in the coming year. First is going to be real estate, both commercial and residential. You're going to see a lot more problems on the commercial end because of the economic slump that we've had. Residential is really a big question mark because we have the option arms that we're going to be dealing with and the foreclosures that will result. Will new home formations, new people coming into the market, soak up those foreclosures? Will that continue to happen? And I think it's going to be a race between those two things, additional foreclosures and new home formations buying those foreclosures. Interest rates are going to be key. They're probably going to start rising, but will they rise slow enough to not hurt the economic recovery? Actually, in some ways, a rising interest rate environment may well help the economic recovery because there will be a perception that the Federal Reserve and the government might be fighting future inflation, which is the next thing we have to worry about, and that's inflation next year. Now, I don't think we have inflation for the first part of the year, and I don't think we'll have that much in the second part of the year. We will not have an inflationary problem until we have unemployment shrink. In other words, a better jobs market. Then we may have more inflation because there's two sides of inflation. There's the supply and the demand. The demand is going up, supply will go up, but the prices, the cycle of inflation means you have to have increasing salaries. That part is not there. So those are the things that we have to look for in 2010 and their impact on the economy and therefore the impact on the stock market.
The Invest Talk Premium Newsletter can make a difference in the way you see the stock market, your investments in general, and how you respond to fast-changing market conditions. It's a quick weekly read that gives you perspective and even points to specific stocks that we think are worth a second look. That's something we can't do on our program. And now, here's something that will add even more information value. Now, when you subscribe to our weekly newsletter, you'll receive a complete interactive investment analysis of your individual retirement portfolio. This is done online or by mail if you prefer. It includes an examination of your stocks, funds, bonds, your 401k, real estate, all for the price of a subscription. When you subscribe to our premium newsletter for $9.99 a month, you'll receive this 5-point Portfolio Smart Scan, a complete investment analysis of your individual retirement portfolio for free. And you can cancel your subscription at any time. Try our newsletter now and get the first month free. When you respond now, just enter the promotion code 2010. Start the new year off right. Start getting this valuable newsletter right now.